Miss Kelly took me to the most amazing gallery, Lahaina Printsellers. They make giclée prints of beautiful, beautiful local original art.
Hey, nice to see you. Air hugs, air hugs. Well, I'm looking forward to our tour today. Looking forward to it.
There's more than meets the eye. What separates us from the other galleries is that we specialize in Maui art with Maui artists, and we produce the art here on Maui, and we use high quality inks and canvas. It's guaranteed for 100 years. What we do is we cut a commercial brand of decoupage. We apply it with a roller, so it's pretty time efficient and cost effective. These are breakthroughs that we came up with by ourselves.
Not only do they make all of these incredible prints from local artists, and they're pretty much weatherproof. He has the most epic collection of maps and atlases possibly in the world.
I was selling original antique maps. These are all originals. And retail value, it's in the millions. Mostly in America, but I'd say 10 to 15% outside of the U.S. I started buying Captain Cook material. And these are Captain Cook's folio plates, published in 1784. The engraving on copper plates. It's 230-something years old. This is a Cook's Atlas. Really the first chart of Alaska with any pretense to accuracy. This is the Kamchatka Peninsula. And this is the Bering Sea. And Cook's mission was to try to discover the Northwest Passage. These are the first images of the South Seas that the Europeans
Ever saw.
I mean, look at that. It's just amazing.
These are all Cook folio plates. Just to give you a glimpse here,
Oh my goodness.
these are all maps, stakes.
Wow.
1861 through 66, right at the height of the Civil War. Just a lot of stuff. But it's all focused on Hawaii and maps and specific to what we do here.
Aloha, and thank you for watching. You know, the most amazing thing about this beautiful enterprise that Alan and Char have spent a lifetime building is I am going to help them sell it. Lock, stock, and barrel, as Alan says. In that essence, stay tuned. Mahalo.